Introducing the 2025 Volkswagen Vw Tiguan Edition, 75 2.0TDi DSG with 150 horsepower. This sleek estate Jeep in grey is packed with top-of-the-line features for your comfort and safety, including satellite navigation, collision avoidance braking and wireless charging. With only 11,000 kilometres on the clock, this vehicle is practically brand new. But that's not all. This Tiguan comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and includes a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this opportunity to drive home in style and safety. Call us today or visit our website at mullingarautos.ie for more information on how you can make this Tiguan yours.